fish, 10-piece salt as per taste. Turmeric 1/2 tsp, chili powder 1/2. Mix, mix, mix. Oil for fry. Fry the fish slightly. Don't over-fry. Shift them into another plate. Take oil in another pan. Onion 1 cup. Fry them until it becomes soft. Cinnamon 1 piece, cardamom 2/3 piece. Turmeric 1.5 tsp, chili powder 1 tsp, coriander powder 1, cumin powder 1 tsp, ginger paste 1/2 tsp, garlic paste 1/2 tsp, salt to taste. Mix, mix, mix. Add a little water. Fry the potato to increase the taste. Add tomatoes. Just look at this. Add water. Add the fish and the potatoes. After some time, add green chili. The fish is ready. Serve as your choice. Do subscribe. Share with your family. Like and comment. Help me to grow.